Welcome my beautiful friend, here with Max l'Italiano, and today in my new kitchen I wanna show you how we make this beautiful Italian pizza cake with cheese, with Parmesan cheese, with pecorino cheese. We have olive oil. Just think about all the ingredients. Have you ever tried to mix olive oil and Parmesan cheese on a small plate and eat with bread? Exactly, that is the flavor that you have inside this beautiful recipe. And now let's start together to make this beautiful recipe. My friend, our dough is ready and now have to leaven for 2 hours, 2 hours and a half. When it's gonna double in size, it's gonna be ready. And now the dough is in the bake tin and is ready to leaven for 30 more minutes or until double in size. Now I want to give a suggestion before to give the final bite to this beautiful creation to all the viewers who want to make this recipe using a stand mixer. How you can manage it? Simple. First step is to mix all the dry ingredients in the bowl of your stand mixer using a paddle, a whisk or a hook, and make sure that the yeast and the sugar are well mixed throughout the flour. Then you add gradually into the dry mix the liquid mix, and I'm talking about the mix that we did with the eggs, milk, oil and all the other ingredients until it's well combined. Then you keep kneading the dough for about 10 minutes or until you get a smooth and homogeneous dough. And guys, this is the final result. And make sure when you make Italian recipe, you are using premium quality ingredients. Now, let's give a final bite.
Yummy.
It's nice. Nothing to say. It's really nice. And my beautiful friend, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, and I'll see you in the next recipe, Italian recipe.